my god, you guys. It's dead, bro. Shit. So, I don't know if any of my paintings survived. I guess not. Guys. Grabe, oh. Okay. Time to clean. Well, let's see. Sira yung lahat ng sketch ko. Basa eh, oh. Okay. It's dead. It's gone. Basa na din siya. So, wala na rin. I guess, isipin ko na lang siya as practice piece. Basang-basa, min. Watercolor book nga. Oh, no. Oh! Surprisingly, hindi siya ganun kabasa. I don't know kung magagamit ko pa to, guys. Parang sinasabi sa akin ng Tadhana, kung hindi mo gagamitin, tatanggalin ko sa'yo. So, ito. Okay. Ito talagang pinaka-top kasi. So, nasira din yung front cover. I don't know, maybe pwede pa natin siya salvage. Yung alaala ng painting na to. Maybe ilagay ko siya sa sketchbook or something. Pero we have salvage naman. Some things. Like this one. And then this one. And of course, the most important na sketch ko painting is this one. So, not all bad. Hi guys. So, yun ya. Not crying, but emotionally wrecked. Pero yun, I'm fixing up yung mga nasira. Ito. Ay! So, ayun. Yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Just collecting some art. Kasi sayang naman. Gawa ko pa rin naman to kahit nakinain ng ipis. So, kukunin ko pa rin siya. So, yeah. So, yun yung plano ko. Oh my God. Daming stuff dyan. Yeah, sobrang gulo. Oh, inuna ko yung sketchbooks ko bago ko linisin dyan. Pero, linisin ko din yan eventually. So, yun yung plano ko ngayon. Hala! Nawawala yung pang-move. Pero yung sa taas niya, wala na.